Hello everybody, I'm Paul and I got Ben with me. He's filming and we're going to do a little digging up at the park. And it is getting chilly. We've been used to a little bit warmer temperature, but I don't know. We shut all the windows at the house and walked out in shorts and it's a little bit nippy. It feels like fall's coming early this year or something, but we'll see if the crowds over the weekend left us anything behind. Hoping for gold. Guess we'll take some clay if we get it. We'll be there in 2 minutes. Okay guys, brought out the fisher today. Seems like she's found her a penny here somewhere. Trying to get it in the frame. 60s, 50s, 60s. So I'll dig it. Probably a zinc or a bottle top. Where is it?
Bring it.
Oh, there. Okay, like I thought, bottle top. First find of the day.
If you see that orange, don't dig it.
On to the next. Got a surface find. What is it? Jolly Rancher?
Jolly Rancher.
Sweet. Gotta love that. Going out to Gary Duffy.
I want to eat it.
Does it got a good smell? He loved the Duff man. Alright. Ben's thinking about doing a death-defying stunt again. Taking his life into his own hands.
Yep.
Probably the world's tallest slide.
Here's me in comparison.
Show him.
It's about 300 feet, I would say.
Probably. And show him how sturdy it is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Real sturdy.
Real sturdy.
Yeah.
Gives a little click there.
It's about 70, 80 years old.
Yep.
Yep. She's a good one.
Should I try it?
Yeah. Now. Everywhere or something.
Yeah.
Just a point of history. This hasn't in the past gone too well.
God, I hate these.
He's real strong until about the 4th or 5th step, and then
I hate these.
you'll see.
God, I just hate these.
Go on, you can do this. That slide's nothing. Just 300 feet. You know? Just think about those guys that go up those cell phone towers.
Alright, I have about a foot panel right here.
Yeah.
I have a foot space.
Yeah, it's very narrow. And we're none too narrow. We're a little bit wide.
I can't do it.
Oh, come on.
Look!
Come on, you can do it. No? Oh, come on. No, you can't do it. Oh my God, you can't do it. Oh. Come on, that's paybacks for all the times you teased Sis. Remember, Sis's big, she couldn't get out of the kayak and how you were, you know? Come on down, then. I told you there was history involved. Alright guys, this is our first ever helicopter cam. We're spending a lot of money on this. Got a 71, 74, 73 signal. So we'll dig it 1 inch. So can't get it. It's right here in the hard pack. The stuff. Man, this stuff's real hard. Rusty bottle top. So much for the helicopter. Alright guys, thought I'd film this one. It's showing 61, 62. Not too deep, so I'm not even swinging it.
So, do it. Come on.
Yep. I'm assuming it's not deep. Oh, yeah. Right there. Zinc. You knew it.
That's pretty good though.
Not up in there. Well, got 70 right here. I'm not even moving and it's going nuts. Huh. But it is jumpy, so I don't know.
Come on, just dig it.
Just dig it.
Yeah.
Right here. So I try to push down the grass and so I know about where. Okay. Don't even need to dig it, I guess. Where is it? Huh? It's probably a copper, I guess. I don't know. What's it saying?
Give me.
Hold on. Seriously, I'm trying to. Oh, 86. No good.
It's a Cooper.
I don't know. What year did.
86.
I'm not
JD
sure.
will know.
Yeah.
Tell us.
This is our kind of find. That easy money. Well, you got it. The zoom changed for the seagulls. Ben's find Azure. And we got us 93. Alright guys, this is our submission for largest pop top.
Bam!
Oh
Fail.
yeah. You don't find those every day.
The size of it.
Yeah, baby.
Here, line it up with the shovel.
Yeah, for comparison.
Here we go.
Just put it right on there. Yeah.
Yeah. Compared to the Fisher Sniper coil. Yeah, fail.
Alright. I don't know, it's rusty, so it's gotta be like, that's why they come up funny.
Yeah.
They're rusted metal, always fools these things.
Okay.
Alright.
Yep. Geese crossing. Look at them. Look at how they put their little neck down. Look at that. Look at that. They dipped their little neck down.
Well, they're probably warning you or something.
No, when they jump down, they look down. That's so funny.
Okay guys, we're losing our light and we've been goofing around. So
Yep.
this is going to be last dig. Ben don't want to get ate by mosquitoes. I don't blame him, but this is it right here. Zinc, or wait, what is it? Canadian? No, zinc, yeah. Zinc.
Give me that Canadian if it is.
It ain't.
Let's
Just
see
a,
it.
Just a regular.
Oh, come on. I just lost your money.
Well, that'll cost you 2 cents.
What?
You lose
It
a
ain't
penny,
even worth a penny.
there's a fine.
Dang.
You gotta make...
Here's your treasure.
All
I
right.
reward it to you. Well, that actually turned it out nice.
Yeah, not bad. It just started getting real intense. With the trees, that's kind of nice. Have a
Yeah.
different shot, you know?